Hey besties, today we're making puff puff, the Nigerian favorite snack of all time. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment below. Thank you so much if you've done that. Into your bowl, you are going to add in 2 cups of flour, your sugar, your milk, warm water, yeast, and salt. You want to stir this properly. I added in vanilla extracts because I just wanted to be extra, right? You want to properly mix this and cover to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, not so long. Pour in your oil into a deep pan. Then you want to scoop your puff butter into the hot oil. Pay attention to it even as you scoop the butter into your hot oil. And then your puff puff is ready. Besties, don't worry, I got you covered. If you want to achieve this round shaped puff puff, a video is coming right up. Trust me, you will love it. Very detailed, very explanatory. Besties, if you're a sweet tooth kind of girl or boy, you just want to, add in some condensed milk, like 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, right? And some crushed Oreos to this. And trust me, you will love it. This is for my sweet tooth besties. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I hope you learned a thing or two and you found this very simple, beginner friendly